very crisp drafting techniques, if you were to see 5 tips. First is the KISS principle. I don't think you will ever forget KISS. Keep it simple. Keep it short and sweet. Whatever you want to remember, but remember KISS. Short and sweet, simple and stupid, simple and smart, whatever. Keep it simple, as simple. Simplicity is the best sophistication. Then, miser with words. Do not waste your words. Use as less words as possible, but effective words. देखन में छोटी लगे, घाव करें गंभीर. You should have the desired impact with as less words as possible. Movies में आपने देखा होगा ना, रोल की लेंथ मैटर नहीं करती है. The emotions that an actor is able to emote, that is the benchmark of a good actor. Then condensation, as Ramanuj said. Condense. क्या condense करना है आपको? You get to hear so many things from so many quarters, right? Your client, the other party's lawyer, market intermediaries, government of India, and so many people involved in a contract. Broker भी involved होता है सारे discussions में. तो आपने क्या करना है? सबको सुनना है. You can't put everything on paper. You can't put in everyone's views, right? So you have to hear it, condense it, write in as less words as possible to the benefit of your client. तो क्या कहावत होगी? सुनो सबकी, करो नहीं, करो अपने क्लाइंट के इंटरेस्ट की, अपने मन की नहीं करो. Client is your universe. Client is the Annadata. Client is the Mai Baap. Client is the focus here. Whatever we incorporate has to benefit and suit the client the most. We should reduce the liabilities, obligations, risk, exposures of the client as much as possible. We should expand clients' rights, powers, benefits as much as possible. And yet, we'll come to that a bit later, yet try to present a balanced picture that the other party also sees benefit in it. Otherwise, if it is one focus only, one-sided, the other party will not buy it. Understandability. ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन आपको नजर आ रहा है? किसी को समझ में आ रहा है? किसी डॉक्टर का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन समझ में आया है कभी? शादी में पंडित जी के मंत्र समझ में आए हैं कभी? Your drafting should be different, understandable. The parties may today trust you that whatever legalese and jargon you are putting in works to its benefit, but that may not be true if you have indulged in poor cut copy paste, right? So, लम्हों ने खता की, सदियों ने सजा पाई. Smallest mistakes today, one stitch, किसी भी ड्रेस में से एक स्टिच अगर खुल जाता है, and sometimes it may become irreparable, irretrievable. So be very careful about understandability and value add, जो हम शुरू से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Unless you are able to manifest some value to the client, that this is, the client feels that I am more empowered after having come to you. My rights have expanded, my obligations have reduced after coming to this person, or the lawyer has incorporated facets which I did not know, I did not contemplate, I did not discuss with the other party in my preliminary discussion. Only then your client will value you. Only then the client will trust you. Only then will the client come to you again. Only then the client will recommend you to others. Value add is your USP. Without value add, trust me, no client will ever come back to you.
Is knowing law and about contracts enough to do it? Very important question. If you really want to add that much value, is knowing law and contract drafting enough for this? And clauses, काफी होगा इसके लिए? नहीं होगा. You have to actually know about business.
Yes.
Right? which is why all the best lawyers, especially corporate lawyers क्या करते हैं? Contract draft करते हैं, negotiate करते हैं और कुछ advisory भी करते हैं, due diligence भी करते हैं. चलो इतना ही है ना. But in the end of the day, they are drafting a lot of contracts and they get paid mainly for drafting contracts, right? And you will see that their pitch is that I understand your business like nobody else.
Yes.
Right? Always. And they spend time understanding an industry, understanding a business model. You know, my first contract drafting client I got when I was in 4th year of law school. There was an IIT Kharagpur graduate who had started a startup. Okay, I did not go looking for him as a client, right? मुझे तो idea भी नहीं था. I generally used to help him with some stuff. Then one day he came and said that I have this shareholder agreement to be drafted with 2 foreign investors, one from Hong Kong, one from Germany. Can you do it? I will pay you. Other lawyers are asking for 4 lakh rupees. He paid me 75,000 rupees to draft this. I said, I don't know. I have no clue. I have never done this. Why are you giving it to me? He said that you are the only person who has ever bothered to understand how my business works. He was in data protection software business. He said, I went to 6 lawyers. None of them understand either venture capital. This is Calcutta in 2010. They have no clue what is venture capital, how this works. They have no clue how my business works. They are like bureaucrats. If I go to their chamber, they make me wait for half an hour before meeting me. Right? I have no faith in them. I know you're a law. You know what he said? He said, I am building this company. I started building it when I was in 4th year in my IIT Kharagpur days. Right? And I have come till here. Why can't you do? You're also a student. You do it. Okay, now that's a big thing. He trusted me, gave me an opportunity, whatever. Right? But the thing is that when you understand, like genuinely clients care about that. Clients see lawyers who don't give a damn.
Yeah.
They're like, कोई भी काम लेके आ जाओ, सब कर देंगे जी.
That becomes the differentiator between good lawyers and ordinary lawyers.
And do you understand their business? How does it work? What is their fear? What is their dream? What is their aspiration? What are they going to do 6 months down the line? What problems they might face over time? Okay? If you don't know this, you will never be a good lawyer. You will not be a good contract drafting lawyer for that industry, right? It will be always, like you may survive, that's a different thing, but this is what it takes, and this is a very important thing to develop.